What if I showed you a niche with one of the highest RPMs and very low competition? But that's not even the best part. Anyone can start in this niche right now without any animation skills. Let me show you the earnings of these channels. According to Social Blade, this channel is making around $5,000 per month, and here's what shocked me the most. It started just 2 months ago, yet it already has almost 50,000 subscribers with only 41 videos. I did more research and found several other channels doing the exact same thing. This channel is another example, and it's making similar money. The best part, this niche isn't even that competitive. What you're about to learn could change your life if you take action seriously. I made this so easy by this elite prompt, which I'll give you for free. Just comment prompt and I'll send you. This will automate the entire process. I'll teach you whole process, which big YouTubers are using to get tons of views. I'm gonna use Claude for this, but you can use ChatGPT as well, because this niche is in the finance niche. That's why it has the highest RPM. Now let's start the process. The elite prompt I'll give you, just paste on Claude or any other AI tool, and enter. It will give you ideas for your channel names. If you don't like these one, just ask him to give more ideas. When you select the name, just write that I like this name. It will write a description, taglines, 3 logo concepts. Finalize the logo concept which you like, then just tell him which one you like. I made these using Google Flow. Now your channel design is done. It's time to start video making process. It's already asking for giving a video ideas. So I'm gonna say yes. It starts giving you a video ideas. Now here we have a 10 unique video ideas. Now if you don't like these, just ask him to give more ideas. I like this 9th one. Give him video idea. It will ask for video duration. I'm gonna select 5 minutes. That's best. Then it will start writing a video script. Now before moving to the next step, we will convert this script into the AI voiceover. If you have a money, then I would highly recommend you 11 Labs. But if you don't, then you can use Sound Tool. It just takes some time to generate audio.
Hi there, I'm Fenrir.
Make sure to select the good narrator. I'm gonna select this Fenrir voice. This one is perfect for finance videos. Just paste the script part one by one and generate the voiceovers. This takes time to generate, but it's the only genuine free option. Till now every process is automated and easy. Now we need visuals. Just go to Claude. This will automatically ask you for the scene prompts. You don't need to give a manual instructions because of elite prompt. It will start generating scene prompts, but it generated only 10 scenes. I want more like 20. I'll ask him to generate more. Here it starts generating again. Now image prompts are ready. I'm gonna use Google Flow for image generation. Just copy and paste the image prompts one by one and click on Generate button. This result is amazing. But if you don't like the result or want multiple variant of single prompt, click here and select how many generations you want. Now it's time to animate this using AI tool. This part is very important because viewers watch visuals. If your visuals are good, then people will watch it. Otherwise, they will leave the video. Again, come on Claude. Say it yes for animation prompts. It will start writing a prompts. Copy the same image number prompt. I'll copy first one. Go to Google Flow. Go to this option. Select video and then duration. 6 seconds is best. Make sure you select a 1 video. Otherwise, it will cost you more credits. Press enter. Now you get 50 credits every day. You can generate 5 videos. But if you have a multiple Gmail accounts, then you can generate multiple videos. If you don't have Gmail accounts, you can create. Now check the video. It's good actually. Similarly, create other images into video. Let's move to the video editing part. Go to CapCut or any other free tool. Import your material. Cut the audio gaps properly as I'm doing. Just match the visuals with the audio, which is very easy to do. Now look at the results.
You buy a house. 10 years later, it's worth $150,000 more than you paid for it. Everyone tells you the same thing, you're rich now. Your net worth on paper just jumped 6 figures. You did it. You made it, except you still can't afford to fix the roof.
It's the final part of the video. Go to Claude. As you can, it's asking for thumbnail prompts. Just ask him to write thumbnail prompts. It starts writing. Now just check which one you like. Then copy it and paste on the Google Flow. Generate the thumbnail. As you can see, I generated these 3. This one is looking good. This is how you can make these videos. Thanks for watching.